So what do you think, folks? Is it real?
Contagious hiccups? What a bunch of idiots. Ow, watch it, you clod! My hiccups, they're gone! Now you have them!
Oh no! You gotta help me, Squidward!